Copacabana, Brazil's most iconic beach. It's where golden sands meet the rhythm of samba, football, and, a whole lot of history. Stretching 4 kilometers along the coast of Rio de Janeiro, Copacabana is more than just a beach. It's actually a symbol of Brazilian culture, resilience, and pure joy. Let's rewind the clock for a moment. In the late 19th century, Copacabana was just a small fishing village, mostly inaccessible and honestly, pretty quiet. The name comes from a Bolivian shrine to the Virgin of Copacabana. A chapel with the same name was built here in the 1600s. But everything changed in 1892. A tunnel called the Túnel Velho opened, connecting the beach to the rest of Rio. Suddenly, Copacabana became a hotspot for the elite. By the 1920s and 30s, elegant hotels, casinos, and nightclubs lined the boulevard. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Copacabana Palace Hotel, which opened in 1923. It hosted legends like Marilyn Monroe, Princess Diana, and the Rolling Stones. Speaking of the Rolling Stones, back in 2006, they played a free concert right on Copacabana Beach. It actually became one of the largest concerts in history, with over 1.5 million people gathered in the sand. The beach really became the place to be, glamorous, exotic, and always alive. Today, Copacabana is just a vibrant mix of locals and tourists. From sunrise joggers and beach vendors to football matches in the sand, the beach is a daily celebration of life. It's also home to huge public events. Every New Year's Eve, millions gather here dressed in white, offering flowers to the sea goddess Iemanjá, and enjoying one of the largest fireworks shows in the world. In 2013, Pope Francis held a mass here for over 3 million people during World Youth Day. And during the 2016 Olympics, Copacabana hosted beach volleyball, right by the ocean, a moment the world will never forget. But Copacabana isn't just about the beach, it's about culture, street art, music, and community. The famous black and white wave pattern of the promenade, designed by landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx, has become a global icon. But what about the future? Like many coastal areas, Copacabana faces challenges: rising sea levels, pollution, and over-tourism. The city of Rio is investing in sustainable tourism, beach preservation, and climate resilience projects. There are also plans to integrate smart city technology to improve safety transportation and environmental monitoring around the beach. From a quiet village to an international icon, Copacabana has always evolved with the times. It's a beach where history, culture, and passion meet the future, still sparkling under the Brazilian sun. Whether you're sipping coconut water, dancing to samba, or just watching the waves, one thing is clear: there's no place like Copacabana. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us. Have you ever been to Copacabana?